Introduce highlight features or overview summary of EKSA H3, Trucker Bluetooth Headset V5.4. There are features include Advanced Noise Cancelling Mic. This trucker Bluetooth headset features an advanced noise cancelling microphone that filters out engine and background noise, ideal for truck drivers, remote teams, and office calls. A reliable wireless headset for work that delivers crystal clear communication. Bluetooth 5.4 with dual device connection. Equipped with the latest Bluetooth 5.4 chip, this headset with mic delivers faster pairing, stronger signal stability, and improved resistance to interference. With an extended wireless range of up to 30 meters or 98 feet, you can move freely without dropping the connection. Easily connect and switch between two devices like PC and phone, ideal for driving, call centers, Zoom meetings, and remote work. Up to 65 hours battery. Designed for long shifts and extended use, this wireless headset with microphone offers up to 65 hours of music playback and 35 hours of talk time. A dependable companion for all-day productivity or long-distance driving. Dual ear cushions, switch for seasonal comfort. Comes with 1x ice gel ear pad for a cooler, refreshing feel, perfect for hot summer days, and PU leather ear pad for classic, all-season comfort. The magnetic detachable design lets you easily switch between the two for personalized comfort throughout the year. 270 degrees rotatable boom mic and mute button. Easily mute or unmute with a single press, perfect for virtual meetings or on-the-road calls. The 270 degrees rotatable microphone lets you wear it on either ear for flexible, strain-free use. Combined with a lightweight build and breathable cushions, the EKSA H3 is made for all-day comfort and control. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.